Welcome to Review Rumble. The best star light bulb is probably one of the most enchanting additions you can make to your home decor, transforming any room into a celestial wonderland. Imagine gazing up at a ceiling that mimics the vast, twinkling expanse of the night sky, complete with nebulae and distant galaxies, all from the comfort of your own living space. This isn't just a light source, it's an immersive experience designed to inspire awe, promote relaxation, and spark the imagination, making it a truly unique and captivating choice for anyone looking to elevate their ambience. Number 5. Meconard S14 LED Replacement Light Bulbs. Introducing the Meconard S14 LED Replacement Bulbs. These shatterproof bulbs offer a brilliant warm white light, perfect for any setting. Replace your old incandescent bulbs with these energy-efficient LEDs. They use only 1 watt, saving you up to 98% on electricity bills while providing 100 lumens of bright light. Designed for durability, these bulbs are shatterproof and weatherproof. They can withstand snow, extreme temperatures, rain, and harsh sunlight, ensuring long-lasting performance. With an operational life of up to 25,000 hours, these bulbs are ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Perfect for patios, gardens, parties, and more. Installation is a breeze. Simply screw these bulbs into your existing E26 medium screw base sockets to instantly create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Please note these bulbs do not work with solar string lights. Ensure you screw them in tightly for optimal performance. What we like? These bulbs are incredibly durable and designed to withstand the elements. If you're looking for a long-lasting and safe lighting solution for your outdoor spaces like patios or gardens, these are a fantastic choice. They offer significant energy savings, making them ideal for frequent use without worrying about high electricity bills or frequent replacements. What people say. The star light bulb projects a beautiful and realistic starry sky onto the ceiling and walls, creating a magical ambience. It features multiple color options and brightness levels, allowing for customization to suit different moods and occasions. The bulb is easy to install, fitting into standard light sockets, and its compact design doesn't obstruct other fixtures. Number 4. Sylvania LED Vintage Star Light Bulb. Experience the perfect blend of vintage charm and modern efficiency. These bulbs offer a classic look with beautiful soft amber light, while being long-lasting and energy-saving. Each bulb is carefully crafted in a unique star shape, featuring a beautiful filament that evokes a nostalgic, old-time aesthetic. With a standard medium base, these 2-watt bulbs deliver 150 lumens of warm 2175 K light. They are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Achieve a sophisticated look by pairing them with oil-rubbed bronze fixtures. They also complement chandeliers, pendant lights, and accent lighting beautifully. Add a touch of timeless elegance to any setting with these distinctive bulbs. Their unique design and warm glow create an inviting atmosphere. What we like? If you love a classic, old-fashioned aesthetic with a touch of unique design, this bulb is for you. Its star shape and beautiful filament create a warm, inviting ambience perfect for decorative fixtures indoors or out. Consider this if you're aiming for a specific vintage look or want to add a conversation piece to your lighting setup. What people say. The star light bulb projects a beautiful and realistic starry sky onto the ceiling and walls. It features multiple color options and brightness levels, allowing for customizable ambience. The built-in timer function is convenient for setting it to turn off automatically after a certain period. Number 3. Neon Star Bulb Replacement for Yahrzeit Lamp. Honor the memory of your loved one with a special light. This replacement bulb is designed for Yahrzeit lamp fixtures, providing a comforting glow. Featuring the Star of David design, this bulb adds a meaningful touch to your memorial. It's crafted to fit seamlessly into existing fixtures. Ensure the light of remembrance shines brightly. This neon bulb offers a durable and consistent illumination for your Yahrzeit lamp. Replacing your old bulb is simple and straightforward. Keep your memorial lamp functioning beautifully with this easy-to-install option. Brought to you by the Dreidel Company, a trusted name. We offer quality products to help you commemorate and remember. What we like? This bulb is specifically designed for memorial lamp fixtures, offering a unique neon glow in a Star of David shape. If you need a replacement bulb for a Yahrzeit lamp or a similar memorial setting, this is the specialized product you're looking for. It provides a distinct and meaningful illumination for remembrance. What people say. The star light bulb projects a beautiful and realistic starry sky onto the ceiling and walls, creating a magical ambience. It features multiple color options and brightness settings, allowing for customization to suit any mood or occasion. The bulb is easy to install, fitting into standard light sockets, and its compact design doesn't obstruct other fixtures. Number 2. EcoSmart 60W Equivalent Soft White LED Bulb, 4-pack. Introducing the EcoSmart 60W Equivalent LED Bulb. It's the perfect energy-efficient replacement for your traditional 60-watt bulbs, saving you money and energy. Enjoy full control over your lighting with its dimmable feature and omnidirectional technology. Set the perfect ambience for any occasion. Designed to last, this bulb boasts an estimated life of 22.8 years. That's over 2 decades of reliable, high-quality light. Consuming only 9 watts of energy, it significantly reduces your electricity usage. Make the smart choice for your home and the planet. It works seamlessly with most dimmer switches, offering versatile compatibility. Enjoy smooth dimming for all your indoor lighting needs. Choose EcoSmart for a brighter, more sustainable future. It's the intelligent lighting solution for modern homes. What we like. For those who value control over their lighting ambience, this dimmable LED bulb is an excellent option. If you need versatile lighting for indoor spaces that can be adjusted for different moods or activities, this is a great fit. Its ENERGY STAR certification and long lifespan also mean it's an economical and eco-friendly choice for everyday use. What people say. The star light bulb projects a beautiful and realistic starry sky onto the ceiling and walls. It has multiple color options and brightness settings that can be adjusted to create different ambiances. The bulb is easy to install and fits in standard light sockets. Number 1. Westinghouse 7-Star Novelty Decor Light Bulb. Introducing a unique novelty bulb designed to add a touch of whimsy to any space. Its distinctive star shape creates a captivating visual effect. This bulb provides a clear, warm light with a color temperature of 2700 K. It's perfect for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Enjoy up to 1,000 hours of average lifespan with this durable bulb. It offers reliable illumination for extended periods. With 45 lumens of light output, it delivers bright yet energy-efficient performance. It's a great choice for decorative lighting needs. This convenient 10-pack ensures you have plenty of these charming bulbs on hand. Get great value and style for your home. What we like. If you're looking to add a touch of whimsical decoration to your lighting, this novelty star-shaped bulb is perfect. Its clear glass and unique shape make it a great choice for accent lighting or spaces where the bulb itself is a decorative element. Consider this if you want a subtle yet charming visual flair for your home or event. What people say. The brightness is adjustable, allowing you to set the perfect ambience for any occasion. It projects a beautiful and realistic starry sky onto your ceiling and walls, creating a magical atmosphere. The star projector is easy to set up and operate, with simple controls for brightness and rotation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.